Is it maintenance or a stall? Let's talk about this common misconception that I hear all the time. Hi, and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Meghan. I'm a board-certified obesity medicine physician and weight loss coach, helping you cut through the pseudoscience and confusion in weight care. My approach combines evidence-based medicine with real behavioral change. So you don't just take medications, you actually transform your health. So this comes up all the time. People are very confused about what maintenance is and what a stall is. So let's just break it down so we can put an end to the confusion. So what I hear a lot of from patients, from viewers is it's not working or it stopped working. My GLP-1 medication, or if they're on an older weight medication, it stopped working. So let's get to the bottom of that. Like, what does that actually mean? So how weight medications are supposed to work is you're not supposed to lose weight forever. I don't want anybody to disappear. That would be very bad if you lost weight forever. So how they work is somebody starts a weight medication, they're going to lose weight, and how steep that curve is for their weight loss a lot of times depends on genetics, depends on other things they're doing, depends on their other medical issues, depends on medications. But some people lose weight and it's very steady. Some people lose weight and it's steep and then it kind of levels out. Some people lose weight like the stock market, like it's 2 pounds down, 1 pound up, 3 pounds up, like it's more of that. And you have to really zoom out to look at the overall trend, but it's happening. So that happens too. But regardless of how that decline in weight happens, for everybody, the weight is going to level off at some point for each dose. And when it does, it's not that the medication is not working, it's that from that point on, what the medication is doing is holding you at that dose. So it's not working, it's just this was how it was working in the beginning, and now you've reached a new normal, and now the work that the medication is doing is holding you at that weight. So every dose is going to get somebody to, I don't like to call it a plateau because it implies it's not working. It's getting you to a new normal, and the work is then just keeping you at that new normal. At each dose, the weight finds a patient's body weight gets to a new normal. And then if they need to go to the highest dose, they have a new normal there, and either it's they've achieved the weight that they wanted to achieve, or we felt like it was the healthiest place for them, or it's really just the farthest that the medication is going to take them, and maybe it's not at their weight goal yet, but that's as far as they can go with this tool of the medication. So what's a stall? Okay, a stall is different because a stall means that you're getting less than expected results. So here's a good example of a stall. Let's say I have a patient, they were on Zepbound 2.5 and they were losing weight, and then they were on Zepbound 5 and they were losing more weight, and then they went to Zepbound 7.5 and they lost no weight, right? That, to me, I would consider that a stall. Like, that's not what I would expect. It doesn't mean they won't continue to lose weight, but I'm getting less than expected results. So for me, one way to really differentiate between the two is to look at where a patient is and to look at the total body weight that they've lost so far. So if I have a patient that, maybe they're on Zepbound 15, the weight loss has leveled off and they've lost 21% of their total body weight, and they say, I don't know what happened, it just stopped working. We're going to have a conversation that's like, no, it's working. This is the expected body weight that we would anticipate you would lose. So that's great. We don't really anticipate that you're going to get that much lower for you with this medication. So now what the medication is doing as it's working is just holding you in that place. Versus a stall would be, let's say I have the same patient, they're on Zepbound 15, I calculate their total body weight loss and it's like 7%. Then I would say, okay, this is not what we really are expecting. You're getting suboptimal results. It's really not working to the extent that I would expect it to be working. So think about total body weight loss, where somebody is in their weight journey. Are they at the beginning? Are they at the end? Have things been very consistent and then they really took a turn? Or is this really like just their natural trajectory of weight loss, and they're just expecting things to be different, right? So maintenance versus a stall, there you have it. If you have questions afterwards, because I realize this can be confusing for people, if you have questions, please leave them on this video or another video and I'll find them and I'll add them to the list. If you, regardless of if you're a maintenance or if you're in a stall, you want to just work on getting yourself to the next healthiest version of yourself. You've done what you can with your medications and now you're like, okay, it's time to change how I'm eating, change how I'm exercising, change all these other lifestyle things, and you're having a hard time with that. Click on the link below. I will tell you all about how I help people just like you. That's the whole reason that I made this coaching program, is because there are so many people who the medication is not the end of their weight loss journey. It is not the end of their health journey, and they really do need more help along the way to help get them to their healthiest self. So click on that link. I will tell you all about how I help people just like you. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, do all the things, thumbs up, and please be well.